you guys and welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new here, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here and I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. For today's video, I'm sharing with you some spring hair trends. Oh, I think I'm doing 12. We'll see how many actually come out of this, but I'm super excited. I'm so happy to be doing more hair videos again. Do you notice that I tried to put some pink in my hair? Do you like it? So yeah, if there's any other hair videos you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. But until then, let's get into it. Hey guys, we moved locations. First of all, can we just not pay attention to my nails? I just want to address that before we get started because I'm feeling a little self-conscious. But anyways, I googled what the spring hair trends were for this year and it came across a Glamour article that showed like runway hair trends. So I screenshotted some of my favorites and we're just gonna recreate those. This first one is called the double pony at public school. Okay, so she basically just has two pieces of hair out like that. It's messy. She has it pulled back behind her ears. Tie it off in a low pony. And then she also has it tied off down here. She has shorter hair than I do, so I think it looks a little better. But I think what we can do, we'll pull it down a little bit. And we want to kind of make it so this looks a little bigger. Boom! Do we like this? This next one is so me in third grade. I'm not even kidding. I had third grade bangs and I was trying to grow them out, and so what I did was literally this. So this was at the Versace show and this just is called the Gold Barrettes of Versace. And she just has her hair parted and right at her ears she has these really cool big gold barrettes. Boom. Oh, there's Ellie. See? This would look cuter if I actually had a barrette, but I just wanted you to see this one anyways. I feel like this is totally what you would see a blogger wearing at an event. Like, this next one is called the DIY but expensive parts at Dries Van Noten. I definitely didn't say that right. They had diamonds down their part. And I have a choker. So I think what we can do, I think what I'm gonna do is just bobby pin this in my head. So we can at least just get the gist of it. You know what I mean? So put this on my part, bobby pin it down. I mean, obviously this isn't how I would wanna wear it, but I don't have any little diamond thing that can just kind of sit in my part right now. So this is what they did. Okay, is this all the way to the front though? Boom. Do I look glam as hell? Do you like it? You know, listen people, this is the thing. I'm all about trying. Was it good? Maybe not. But did I try it? Yeah. Next one. The smooth as silk braids at Christian Siriano. So they basically did braids down this way, but it's like all the way back. Whew. I'm just French braiding this all the way back. I need one of my Versace barrettes. Got it. I'm just gonna hold that off in place right there. And then do this other one. We got this, people. Here we go. Oh, it came down, but it's braided around the ponytail. How they did it was the braid comes down around the ponytail, but to be honest, I don't know how to do that. So, pretend that's not there. There! Okay. This is similar. So we have a braid on one side, a braid on the other, and back into a ponytail. This is cute. Ew, I like this. I would 100% do something like this when it's like too hot out. Oh my gosh. Look at me, a runway model, a star. This next one are called the Peekaboo braids at Jill Stewart. Oh my god, this girl looks literally so chic. Okay, so she just has messy hair and literally just has braids popping out underneath. So I'm just gonna grab hair from underneath my ear here. I'm gonna grab this chunk and I'm just gonna braid this down. But I go like this. Her hair is shorter than mine, so that's okay. Do you hear that? All right, now I'm gonna push this up and we're gonna pull on the sides of this. Oh, this peekaboo braid? Oh, didn't even see you there. It's so weird. Then we're gonna do another one on this side. This is cute. This is a fun idea. I think hers might have been more like fishtaily braids. And if your hair is shorter, I think this is gonna look even better on you because you'll be able to like, you can really hide them in there and get them like with full body, if that makes sense. Boom. There we go. Ready? Watch out, Jill Stewart. I'm coming for your brand. Cute! Do we like it? That's fun. This is called the low stakes bun. Yo, low stakes bun is cute. It's literally this. A mess. And you go like this. Bow. You can even pull down on it a little. Boom, low stakes bun. Thank you. I love! See, hairstyles like this are so easy. Anyone can do that. Took me not even 10 seconds, right? This one is literally called the Fuzzy Ponytails at Tanya Taylor. It's literally all the hair pulled back like this. All hair pulled back in a low ponytail. And what they did was, they took a piece of hair and they wrapped it around so you can't see the hair tie. Now I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and kind of pin that underneath. Then what you can do is, because they call it frizz, cool, great. We're gonna make this hair frizzy. Rejoice, let your heat damaged hair fly, right? Like this is truly one of them called the frizzy ponytail. Yes! Oh, it's getting dark. Can you still see me? This one is called the Bobby Pin Art at Sally LaPointe. Perfect. Behind the ear, they kind of started back here. This would look super cool with like white ones or pure silver ones. Bobby pins. How cool does that look? Do we like it? I think this looks really chic. I feel like a cool blogger girl with hair like this, right? You guys, I'm crying. This last one is called the Oh This Thing Loops at Victoria Beckham. Oh This Thing, that sounds like something I would name one of my hairstyles on my channel. Okay, I almost feel like I've done a loop like this on my channel before. So they just took the top part of hair, grabbed it back, went around like this, and then finally you just loop. You can pull it down to make it just look really effortless. Seriously. Oh, this thing? Thanks. Victoria Beckham. Yes, yes, yes. I hope I make you proud. Did you like this video? I hope you did. Thank you so very much for watching. I love you guys so much. It feels so good to be doing hair content again. It's been a few months since I've really been pumping them out and I'm just feeling really inspired right now that it's springtime. Yes, hello, so excited. Let me know what you would like to see for future videos, even videos besides hair. What would you like to see on my channel? I'm always open to hearing what you have to say. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.